Jane friends, today we have the newspaper of 31st March 2025. Start with the first news that is from Odisha. In a train accident, one died and three injured as per initial reporting as the train derailed in Odisha. The rescue operation is going on and all the efforts are restart simultaneously to save the life of civilians. Next news is about R is from the Maharashtra that the our honorable Prime Minister visit the headquarters of RSS and he give a statement that RSS is India's banyan tree of immortals, culture and modernization, say Modi. Next is about the beautiful festivals of India that is Gudi Padwa revelry. India is a country of festival and we celebrate different kind of festivals in different state of India in different year or different months. Next is from the defense of country that 50 must surrender in Bijapur. CM praise Chhattisgarh policy. Next from actor Mohanlal apologize over Impuram Row. CM opposition's leader expressed support to artist. DU sees spurt in awareness programs on simultaneous election. The e-learning challenges. While online education is not a failed experiment, it is far from realizing its full potential. Next news is about Indian politics from Bihar. Saha sounds poll Bengal in Bihar urges people to vote NDA government back to power. Next is about law needed to stop use of dead bodies to make unjust demand. Tamil Nadu Police Commission. Next news is from Madhya Pradesh. Non-vegetarian food ban in MP towns. Shiv Sena forced illegal meat shops to down shutter in Haryana's Sonipat for Navratri. Next news is about the TB awareness that traditional healers are leading the way in Meghalaya's effort to combat tuberculosis. Telangana pioneering development model. Based on this model, the party is evolving a vision of growth and inclusion as an alternative to the BJP vision nationally. Say State Deputy CM Vikrama Mallu. He highlighted new schemes in Telangana budget, says a caste census has been held to ensure focused intervention. Water to be released from Bhadra Dam. This will protect crops in Koppal, Reshuram, Yadigiri and ensure drinking water Siddharamaha. Next is about 582 judges transferred by Allahabad High Court. Next news from the Tamil Nadu that no, next is from Andhra Pradesh. Naidu take part in Ugai celebration. Say AAP government committed to promoting Telugu language. Next is about 6 person killed, 6 injured in landslide in Himachal Kullu. These three C's that haunt India's education today. This article is written by Srimati Sonia Gandhi. She is a member of parliament and the chairperson of Congress Parliamentary Party. She talked about the 3 point agenda of government of the day is leading to damaging consequence in the domain of education. An IJS is an idea whose time has come. An exclusive all Indian selections process will address the need to open the door of the judiciary to meritorious candidate. Lesson from a quake. Myanmar's political instability made it unprepared for the disaster. It is time to reform the Waqf. By embracing reform and demanding accountability, we can ensure that the Waqf serve its intended purpose of benefiting the Muslim community and contributing to the broader society. Gender gap in household chores persists in urban India. While the share of women in paid work has risen, so too has the share of women involved in unpaid household work. What is the status of SpaceX Mars mission? When will the uncrewed Mars landing mission take place? According to the SpaceX CEO Elon Musk, will refueling to be possible in space? Is there a conflict of interest between Mr. Musk's role in government and his position as CEO? What are, why are scientists at NASA worried? These are the questions that are answered in this article. Next is about what is the controversy over the Bodh Gaya temple? Why a Buddhist monk protesting near Bodh Gaya, Mahabodhi, Mahivaraha? What does the Bodhi Temple Gaya Act 1949 entail? When was a Hindu temple established? Ink and Revolution. Women writers who paved the way for change. Women History Month observed every March. Celebration the contribution of pioneering writers, looking back at the books of authors such as Toni Morrison, Bell Hooks, Maya Angelou, and Betty Friedan, who had challenged societal norms and continue to shape conversation on equality. Need for southern unity has never been greater, say Tamil Nadu Chief Minister. Key accused involved in sending men to US by donkey route held. Indian Army team researches Marley in Myanmar Resi on to set up a field hospital. Controversy erupt over Haryana police ban on song promoting violence. Diet is a key to balancing iron level in body, say expert. Uttarakhand UCC is a foolproof and well planned. That is the statement of the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. Modi blames Congress policies for Naxalism. Do not allow alliances to blur independent identity. Krant. During addressing the 24th Congress of Communist Party of India's Marxist to be held in Murshidabad, he talked about this. That's from my side, Jain.